Hi, I'm Scott with Perfect Paver, your paver repair expert. Today we're going to talk about step repair. So as you can see, this step has multiple issues. There's a lot of things going on. There's settling in the base, and then on the far side we have a wall leaning right here. And today we're going to talk about why this is happening. First of all, the base, which is underneath of all of this, is likely some sort of gravel, crushed gravel, compacted base. That base, or what we refer to as the footer, is compromised, and is basically what has happened is this step is too much weight for that footer. The footer is compromised. Whenever you build steps, you need to have a solid footer. Every great step is built on a good base. The same on this side. So on this side, it's more than likely that this wall is failing because the footer is bad. Okay? And the other issue, along with the footer being bad, is that this wall is not interlocked with these steps. And when I say interlocked, I mean some of these wall blocks should be kind of tied in with the steps. And if they were, that would help prevent the wall from leaning. So as you can see, all the settling has taken place, and it's causing separation in the pavers, separation in here, all these issues. The customer contacted us to come out and take a look at it and come up with a plan. The plan is, what we're going to do is take all this apart, we're going to pull it all out, the wall's coming down, steps are coming out. What we're going to do is remove the existing footer of gravel, and we're going to install a new concrete footer that's anchored to the home. And so that will prevent any future settling issues. It also provides a very steady, very strong footer. We'll rebuild this step on top of that footer, along with this wall. This wall will be put on that footer as well. And from there, when we rebuild it, like I said earlier, we're going to interlock these blocks. And when this is all complete, it's going to look great. He's going to have 4 equal steps, and everything's going to come back up to his old point here, and it'll look brand new again. As you can see, the steps are now completed. They have rebuilt everything on the new concrete base. They've created 5 equal risers in that step, and they've rebuilt the wall, interlocked with the existing steps, and you have a nice completed project that's built to last. I'm Scott with Perfect Paver.